unsubscribe from most of those things and save yourself some money. It's not easy to save money, cut out some expenses. You just write £1, $1.99. You don't just want to rush and start buying things on sales, even things that you don't need, because there is the name sales. You just want to keep buying, Hi there, you're welcome back to my channel today. I trust you've been okay. This is Uche here. If today's the first time you're stopping by on my channel, you're welcome. So I'm just going to be sharing some tips that have been helpful for me on how to save money while you are here. It's not easy to actually save money, but we will try. There's some places you could cut out some expenses. But before I get right into the video, have you heard about magic bra? Where are my ladies at? Where are you? Come on. If you're a lady, you're struggling on how to get a bra, or your partner needs a new bra, guys, get your partner a new bra. If you're looking for somewhere to buy your bra, look no more, because Magic Bra got you covered. They've got bras in different ranges and sizes, different styles. It's got nice designs. They've got comfortable fit, good quality, and flattering shape, so it makes your boob to look so nice. And those peng outfits, you could use their strapless bra. Sometimes when you wear the bra and then you've got lumps of your skin coming out here and there, they've got bras to put that in shape. You want to try it? I'm going to be dropping the link on the description box, and currently if you use my code, you could get 20% discount on all your orders. The code is right there, but I'll also leave the code in the description box, so do not let this offer pass you by. With no further ado, let's get right into the video. So the first tip, I would say, is knowing when sales are going on. So there's so many brands that run sales from time to time. Maybe you want to buy some Adidas shoe, Nike and clothes. You could check when they're running sales, summer sales, spring sales, all those sales. Sometimes they have a discount. You could use that opportunity and get those things, just like Magic Bra is doing at the moment. Well, when you're waiting for sales, for example, company A is doing sales and you want to buy some things from them, I would advise that you check the website. Probably you check it before that time to see how much they're selling it, because some of the companies, they could be sneaky, and they should just write £1, $1.99, and the discount is, they say it's 30%. You don't know, probably the amount is still the same, or they hike it up and put 30% discount, whereas it's still the same. So you could check that, but if you notice that it's generally on sales, you could buy from them. But you still have to be careful. You don't just want to rush and start buying things on sales, even things that you don't need, because there is the name sales. You just want to keep buying. Check it and make sure that this is what you want to buy. Is it among the things you've planned to buy this month, or you're just going to leave that until next month? Same thing with grocery shopping. There's some places that you get things that are cheaper than some places. If I want to go for grocery shopping in a month, I don't just go, okay, I want to go to Tesco and buy everything. No. Sometimes I just be like, I want to buy fruit in Tesco. I think it's cheaper there. And then I shop there, and just because most of these shops are together, walk into Aldi, walk into Lidl, walk into Asda and Tesco, like that, and I get to shop all around and I am good to go. The next one is for the ladies. Nails. Okay, I think I have to mention hair. Well, if you're here, you already know that you have to be big on DIYs. You have to start doing so many things by yourself. Example, your hair. You just have to learn different styles on how to make hair. So at the moment, I am making my hair because this is going to save me some pounds. And this is what I do. I don't get to make my hair all the time. I just look for easy styles. Sometimes I might be on wig, but it's not advisable to always be wearing wig. That wig that you're wearing, change it. Change it, yeah. It's time to do something different on your hair. This is not expensive. I got this from Amazon. I think I got about 6 or 7 packs. It was like £33 or thereabout. And that £33, if you want to buy attachment like the extension and you want to go to where they'll make your hair, you notice that you spend double or even more of that to make your hair. I'm not saying you should not braid your hair with attachment, but these are just alternatives. Maybe that month you don't have much to make your hair with. With this, I could use 3 packs of this. So you use 3 packs of this, should be 10 to 15 pounds can get me 3 packs of this, and I'm done with my hair. You could even be doing this that time that you're using to relax and be watching film or be doing some catch up on your favorite TV shows. Learn how to make your hair yourself. If you're a guy watching this video, share it with your partner. She may need it and she may find it helpful. And this is actually easy to do. The next tip is do your nails yourself. This is like 0.89p. When you buy press-on nails, don't use the glue. You know the sticker glue that is in it. Don't use it. Just fix this normally the way you would fix a normal nail. To do a nail, I think it should be costing you like 20 to 30 pounds, the basic ones. And then when you want to do styles, that is another story because it can be pricey. So all you can do is just to get the press-on nails. Look for beautiful ones that suit your color or what you want to do. And then buy a nail glue and use that instead of the press-on glue. Use that to fix the nails. You could decide to coat it or leave it like that. You know, if you use the other one, it doesn't even last, it just falls off. But if you do this, it gets you to like 2 weeks, 3 weeks and thereabout if you still want to keep it on, or you could file it down. So do your nail yourself. Some days you want a professional touch, yeah, but sometimes you're trying to live on budget. This is an alternative. Oh, I forgot, disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just sharing tips that have been useful to me. Maybe in a month I just want to save £3 or £10, and this is what I can cut out small money and use this for other things. I wanted to finish this hair before I do this video, but I don't have that time to see it, finish this hair. I decided to multitask, my brother. Doing it and sharing the tips, so bear with me, okay? The next tip is the 30-day rule. I know some of us are always enticed when you go online and then you see some things you want to buy. Give yourself 1 week and see if you still need that. 2 weeks, extend it to 30 days and see if you still need that. If it's important to you, then yeah, by all means buy if you have the money, if you can afford it. But sometimes notice that when you give yourself that time, you end up not buying that stuff because seeing the product, you think you need it, and then the next minute you think, I don't think I need this, I'm just going to pass. And then you pass, you don't buy it. So give yourself time and see if you don't buy it. I've already shared some tips on how you could even save money, like cost of living in Cardiff. If you want to see that video, I'm going to be sharing the link, so you could check that out and also see if that will be helpful for you. Another tip is if you could go to charity shops, they will assist. You could see some things that are cheaper there. And also check for the food banks close to you. If you're struggling to get groceries, they will assist. Another tip is, you know, some of us have this phase, or like call it cycle, where we feel like spending money probably when you're down. So unlike me, I do comfort eating. So when I feel bad or when I feel down, kind of, I see myself ordering for things or maybe going for shopping. I just want to eat, buy things that are sweet. Sometimes I don't even have money in my account and then I'm looking for things to buy. So what you can just do is try to discipline yourself from buying at that moment. Just give yourself some time. You notice that you will feel a lot better. This advice also goes to myself. Avoid those triggers that will put you in that phase of buying just to make you feel good. Then another tip is write a list to avoid impulse buying, because sometimes when I go to the shop without a list, I just see myself buying this, buying that. But what you can do is to write a list, maybe planning your meals. It will help you to save money and also save the environment from food waste. Whenever I remember something that I want to buy, when it pops into my head, I just put it down and then sit on it. I could spend time, a week or maybe days, checking, is this important? Does this need to be ticked out? And this is where the 30-day rule comes in, because I'll probably be like, I think I need to buy this, but after days, I don't need this. I'll buy this next month, not this month. So you could just write a list and plan yourself and know that, oh no, I'm not just going to be buying this. I'll be buying this next time. So write a list. Another thing is also to have all those cards. Like if you're shopping from Tesco, you could have their club card, whereby when you're buying, you're gaining points or you're even gaining some pounds. And then the next tip is to check for second-hand items, because there are some things that you'd want to buy and probably you don't have the money to buy the new ones. So you could check Facebook Market, check on eBay, check on Vintage, even some charity shops, or some of the open markets, because sometimes they sell second-hand items and you save yourself a whole lot of money while buying it. When I was moving into this place, it was not furnished, and I got some things like my couch, TV unit. It was all secondhand, and I got them from Facebook Market. And you'd be surprised that some of those things are even free. And maybe people are moving and they decide to sell up their stuff. Some want to just give it away to someone that needs it. So you could get these things from Facebook Market, eBay, or you could get it at a discount rate. Another tip is a subscription. I noticed that sometimes you see yourself subscribing to, maybe you've got Disney Plus, you've got Netflix, you've got Amazon Prime, and you've got all these. Maybe in a week you've not watched Netflix, in a month you've not even got to open your Prime account, and the subscription is just there. It would be better probably just maintain one, maybe Prime or have Netflix, because you know that you're not using them, so you could just unsubscribe from most of those things and save yourself some money. Another one that I haven't, people say is good, I haven't tried it because I find it easier to just use my Apple Pay or card to just buy things. I just swipe piam 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 and then I'm buying things. But people say that using cash to buy things is cheaper. You don't get to spend more because you've already known this is how much I'll be spending today, and you're not spending more than that. You don't have your card, you don't have nothing, just the cash. And then you could just have a goal, like the money goals for the month. This is how much I want to be saving for this month, and it could help you put you on the right track because you know that now you're on a budget. This is the financial goals you set yourself for the month. You don't want to spend more than that. Start from little. I want to save £50 this month. I want to spend only £30 this month, and you see if you could achieve that goal. That's maybe in a day, I don't want to spend money buying burger today. I don't want to spend money buying fizzy drinks. I just want to save £10 today, and this is what I've saved. And finally, hold yourself accountable. Write that goal down, and in a week you check yourself, have I been able to achieve that? And then review and see if you've achieved that. And just a recap of everything that we've talked about today: save money on doing your nails, get some press on, do it yourself, DIYs. You need to learn how to do some things yourself, do your hair yourself. I'm going to finish off my hair later. I just needed to talk this through why I'm doing this hair. Check the sales, know if it are good sales, have your goals, accountability, avoid the triggers. You know that phase cycle where you just want to be buying things, impulse buying. Check them, write a list, plan your meal, avoid just buying things unnecessarily. Go for shopping, just buy things in bulk according to what you'll be eating in a week or in a few days. And the last one, buy secondhand things. You could check things on charity shops and then buy things secondhand. So that's the end of this video. I'm just going to finish up my hair. I'll be sharing the photo of the hair at the end of this video, but for now I'm just going to go off and concentrate and finish up this hair. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you apply these tips, and do not forget to use my code when you're shopping with Magic Bra. Thank you for watching this video, and do take care of yourself. Okay, bye.